Yes, I was trying to go on my phone. What's going on, you guys? Here's the new winter project we got going on here. Big honcho. The big honcho pine tree. We got 2 of them, 2 for 1 special. We got a bundle of debris, sticks, twigs, branches, and leaves, all that good stuff. Nature's gift to this property. Okay, a gift to us because it creates work for us to keep busy and to help the customer manage their yard. All right, tree does a lot. It works hard, cleans the air, creates shade, gives structure and beauty to this property. And there's going to be a little bit of output with all that good service that it provides. And that's going to be cones, pine cones, twigs, things like that. And we're going to be trimming this puppy down. It's a safe haven for squirrels. There's one right there. You can see it. Look closely, squint. You'll find it. And in the back, there is a thicket of blackberry bush. Okay. You can tell by the serrated foliage. Okay. Good fruit. Terrible thickets. Terrible canes. An absolute nightmare for homeowners. Okay. For people that love blackberries. They love fruit, free blackberries. But it comes at a cost, and that is the thicket. You can't pick it without going through the thicket. Okay, guys, we're rhyming today. Concept. If you want things to be better, you'll have to cut down that thicket and also rhyme when you talk. But we'll save the rest of that scheme for another day. We have some more invasive plants here. These invasive trees have a very sharp, thorny trunk. Okay, that extends to its branches, and it is a big hassle to deal with. But fret not, professionals are in the area and they are ready to